my dad's 1970 Chevy El Camino, original 350 matching numbers, then forward to a 355. He died in 2000. My mom's kept it since. We drive it to the car show stuff once in a while. Original 350 automatic, AC, power steering, power brake.
It's a very cool car.
A couple of them.
Yeah. Of all the El Caminos, this is the best El Camino to have. Wow.
Got some nice flow masters at discount.
Yeah.
Dover discount muffler put on.
They do a great job out there, huh? They put a couple on for me. Sounds wonderful too.
Got an Edelbrock Performer intake and matched cam.
Yeah.
With the Edelbrock carburetor.
Beautiful and smooth. Wow. Perfect for when you want a truck that acts like a car. The El Camino. Yeah. Fantastic car. Thanks for bringing this one out, Don.
Not a problem. Glad you enjoyed it.
Yes, sir.